Threat and attack. What is the difference between threat and attack itself? I ask you this question in class. So, threat, when we say threat, it's a potential for violation of security, which exists when there is what circumstance, capability, action, or event that could breach what security and cause harm. Uh, that is what a threat is possible danger that may exploit what vulnerability. Act that is deliberately attempt or especially in the sense of method of or technique to evade or service and violate the security policy of a system ሆን ተብሎ የሚደረግ እንትን ነው አታክ ማለት ነው። አሁን ለምሳሌ ዲፈረንሳቸውን ካየን ትሪትስ the threat is what a condition which can cause damage to the system or data. It's what condition which can cause what damage to the system or data. Attack is what is an intentional action to cause what damage to system or data. ሆን ተብሎ የሚደረግ ነው አንድ ነገር ዳሜጅ ለማድረግ። ይሄኛው ግን ዳሜጅ ያደርጋል ግን it's not intentional. Treat it what it's not intentional ማለት ነው። the second one treat can be intentional ማለት ነው ሊሆን ይችላል። example human negligence or failure የሰው ልጅ ችላ ማለት እና ደግሞ failure or unintentional example natural disaster ሊከሰት ይችላል። the attack is what an deliberate action ነው ማለት ነው። ሆን ተብሎ ታስቦበት ታቅዶ የሚደረግ ነው ማለት ነው። እንትን ለማለት deliberate action an attacker have a motive and the plan to attack accordingly ማለት ነው። okay threat there is a chance to damage of data or information alteration እንግዲህ መቀየር እንትን ሊሆን ይችላል varies from low to very what high ማለት ነው። ግን አታክ ላይ very high ነው ቻንሱ ዳታ ዳሜጅ የማድረጉና ኢንፎርሜሽን መቀየር ላይ ማለት ነው። የትሪት ግን ከትንሽ ወደ ሃይ እየሄደ ይመጣል። ለምን ሁን ተብሎ ታስቦበት ስላልሆነ የሚደረገው ማለት ነው። ሲገለም ኢትያደሜ ዋን እንተይኒፍ from low to high ይሄዳል። ግን ወልፈካተኒ ገሩም አልገራገሩም ዋጥቀሽኔ ቀበኔቹ ትሪትስ the treat may or may not malicious ሊሆንም ይችላል ላይሆንም ይችላል ማለት ነው። ግን አታክ መስት ምንድነው always malicious ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ malicious ቁጭ ብሎ ታስቦበት ፕሮግራም ኮድ ጽፎ ሊገባልህ ይችላል። a treat is what difficult to detect. What about attack? Easy to detect. This is the main difference ማለት ነው። Which one is easy to detect? If it asks you on exam, for example, the easiest one is which one? Attack. Okay. The last one is a threat can be prevented by what? Controlling the vulnerability. An attack cannot be prevented by controlling what? The vulnerability. These ስድስቱን ዲፈረንሶች it is good to know. Okay. Maybe ፈተና ላይ ሲመጡ ማለት ነው እነዚህን ተጠቅሞ from the following which one is prevented by controlling the vulnerability ብሎ ቢጠይቅ ማለት ነው ትሪት ብላችሁ ጭንቅላታችሁ ውስጥ እንዲመጣ። okay that is all about the difference between threat and attack. These are model exam which is taken from Minister of Education from Computer Security Chapter 1. For example, let us see the first question, which is question number 10, which say which one of the following is security service enforced to protect disclosure of information which can be stored in file or being on transmission from unauthorized entity. Which one of the following is what? A security service enforced to protect disclosure of information which can be stored. Disclosure of what? Information. It is speaking about disclosure of information. Information is open ማለት ነው። So this is confidentiality actually. If we say integrity speak about what? Sent is equals to received in right? አውተንቲኬሽን ስላለ ጅራ፣ አቬይላቢሊቲ ስላለ ጅራ። ሶ ይሄን ይመስላል እንግዲህ በዚህ አይነት መልኩ ነው የሚመጣው ፈተናዎቹ። ሌት አስ ሲ አናዘር this exercise is left for students ጃ which one of the following is responsible for separating some mechanism from the rest to shield them from possible attack? አታክ የሚደረገው በምንድን ነው? ሺልድ የሚያደርግልን ፕሮቴክት ሊያደርግ የሚችለው from possible attack ትሪት እና አታክ አለ አይደለ? አታኪን ሊከላከልልን ይችላል ብለን which one of the following is responsible for separating some mechanism some machines from the rest to shield ማሽኑ ሌላ ማሽኖቹን ከሌሎቹ የሚጠብቀው እንደምን ሆኖ shield them from possible attacks is network operating system ይላል router firewall switch. This is left for you. The other one, which one is a method used to obtain meaning of encrypted information without access to secret key? Without accessing to what? Secret key. Which one is method used to obtain the meaning of encrypted information without access to secret key? We will see this on chapter 2 and chapter 3 ላይ እናየዋለን። Suppose you have received a message from your friend ይላል። አንድ ሜሴጅ ደረሰህ እንበል ከጓደኛ ሳይሆን የደረሰው but the message is what? Scrambled. It is converted to our cipher text ማለት ነው. It is not plain. So for the sake of security ብሎ ነው እንደዛ ያደረገው። Your friend has used a program to encode message. እንደዛ ያደረገው በምንድን ነው? He used program to encode it, to make it, to scramble it, okay? Into scrambled text. In order to read the message, which program would you use ይላል። የትኛውን ፕሮግራም ነው የምትጠቀመው? ያን የተላከልኝ ሜሴጅ ለማንበብ እሱ ያደረገው ነገር አለ አይደለ? ቤዝድ ኦን ዳት ነው ማለት ነው። ዲክሪፕሽን ፕሮግራም፣ ሴክሬት ኪ፣ ኢንክሪፕሽን ፕሮግራም እና ሳይፈር ቴክስት ይላል። So I want to make you brainstorming, okay? እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። Which one of the following is a measure taken to ensure information and information systems availability, integrity, authentication, and the confidentiality ይላል። Right tapping, interception, information assurance, information security. Okay, all this we will try to give the answers on next video. እስከዛ እናንተም ትራይ አድርጉ። ከዛ በኋላ ምንድነው የምንጀምረው? The OSI or Open System Interconnection ሴኩሪቲ አርኪቴክቸሩን እናያለን። ሶስት ናቸው። ሴኩሪቲ አታክ፣ ሴኩሪቲ ሜካኒዝም እና ሴኩሪቲ ሰርቪስ እናያለን። ሴኩሪቲ አታክ ስር እንግዲህ አክቲቭ እና ፓሲቭ አታኮች አሉ። as we mentioned earlier we will see them. ፓሲቭ አታክንም ስር ምን አለ? ሪሊስ ኦፍ ሜሴጅ ኮንተንት እንደ ትራፊክ አናሊሲስ ይባላል። እሱንም እናያለን። ከዛ we will see also active attacks. Until next video, thank you. Have a good time.